Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the bank account linked to Google Pay. Note the last 4 digits so you don't remove the wrong account. Once done, back up recent payment receipts. Those references help if a dispute appears. Make sure you know the current UPI PIN because Google Pay and your bank will require verification to change or remove access. Now, open Google Pay, tap your profile, and head straight to bank accounts to start the unlink or change process. Next, select the bank account you want to remove. Tap Payments Methods and choose that account. If you pick Remove Account, Google Pay will ask for SMS OTP verification to confirm it's you. Enter the OTP and finalize unlinking. If instead you prefer to reset the UPI PIN, choose Reset UPI PIN, verify via your bank's OTP, and set a new PIN according to your bank's length rules. Make sure the OTP comes from your registered mobile number. Otherwise, finally, confirm the removal or reset with the on-screen success message. Then reopen the bank list to ensure the account is gone or shows updated PIN status. If you don't get the SMS OTP, make sure the registered SIM is in the device, check signal, and retry after a minute. If the bank account still appears, contact your bank's support with transaction references and the last 4 digits. Ask them to deactivate UPI on that VPA.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.